Good morning. We up. We had a long night. Ezra still got on his white outfit. You know what I'm saying? Early morning visitors.
Did they help y'all move?
A little bit, yeah. Alright, so update on the room last night. And I'll do a room tour this morning since we have company. You know what I'm saying? What time is it? 7:30? 7:30?
No, 8 o'clock.
It's 8:01. It's 8:01 in the morning. But I know. Ain't no sleep on cruise, young boy. That's what your mom said. No sleep on cruise.
Ain't no sleep on the cruise.
So I'm about to do the room tour in a minute. Alright, so we just met Ryan, the steward for the room. He's cool. Actually, everybody's been very accommodating. So this is balcony 11066. We're about to go inside. Boom! So as soon as you walk in, there's a mirror. And you got your traditional light switches right there. Full size mirror before you walk out. Now the AC controls are a little bit different, not digital, but it's cool, it works. That's the light for the bathroom, and let's go inside the bathroom. So this is, move your hand, boy. This is the main part of the bathroom. So see, this is an accessibility room, so we have the accommodations, I guess, for scooters, wheelchairs, things of that nature. And now the shower is going to be so much bigger for regular people too. You know what I'm saying? So even if you have the special needs accommodations, you should be able to get your chair in here without any issues. Got drains on the floor. Toilet has emergency call switches for the shower and for the toilet. You got emergency handles all over. Nice lighting, big mirror, storage. Like now I got some more stuff already. So another outlet right here. Places to hang up stuff that you need. Alright, so next, come on. Let's see. We got the balcony open, so with the air on. So this was a queen size bed. They did switch them and pull them out to make it the two twins. These are very tight twins. So I'm 5'11". Yeah, it's tight. 1 inch deluxe and the lengthwise tight. Get off my earring, boy. Mirror's fogged up because we got the balcony open and the air on. Nice size TV. Accommodating for those with special needs. Get stuff out of there. You can put stuff in or out of their closets. You got these on both sides. And this one also has safe as well. Safe is nice low level so they can get to them with the same configuration. Drawers. Have a little storage. And that's the connecting room part if you have somebody with connecting rooms. More hooks. USB outlets. More USB outlets. A couple European. And for the back, you got this push button. So it's push button and then this comes out as well. And we just pulling up. Boy. Yeah, that one down there got a hot tub. I'm about to sit down.
They do not have this many buildings on it.
They probably been doing a lot of construction.
Yeah, that's why I just said.
No. So yeah, we're pulling up now. Are we stopped?
No, we're back in there.
Oh.
Right there. Why is the water cloudy?
Do people live here?
They have like houses.
That was a good tour. Good tour. Yeah. Alright, so we'll tune back in probably either for breakfast or for more action at the I don't know. Say peace. Peace. Okay. 4K30. Me and the baby princess on our way to Ocean Q, Ocean K. Outside we about to jump on the elevator. Start our journey.
Chilling with DJ Skills.